Hi, it's Mal. I'm from Techtel. I'm here at NAB 2025 on the Apantac booth with Thomas Tang. Thomas, what kind of new stuff have you got to show us at the exhibition?
Well, I want to show you our 4K 60 kVm.
Cool.
This particular demo here, one image is the original. The other one is compressed over 1 gig. Can you tell me which is which?
I can't. They look so close together. I'm going to choose, say, the top one's the compressed one.
Okay. So the top one is actually the original.
That's the source.
That is the source. So we're going to show you that just by making a switch. And you can see now we're making the switch.
Look at that. It's so hard to tell the difference between them. That's amazing. And the latency is just like, there's virtually no latency.
There's actually 17 milliseconds of latency.
Yeah, that's incredible.
So just to show that, we can move our mouse around and you can't tell the difference.
You can't see, yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Awesome. And some of the other KVM things you've got on show?
Well, so in the same KVM, sometimes you have a limited desk space. You want to do a one keyboard and mouse over several computers. So we have what we call a free flow license. You see, we could do it. Now we can have one keyboard and mouse and control 2 different computers.
And they could be Windows, Linux, Mac OS X.
Yes, there's no drivers on your computer. It's completely transparent.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, you could do up to 4.
Yeah. Cool. No, that's amazing. And again, all within an IP fabric, so it's expandable. It's able to scale.
And it's over 1 gig. One thing that's really important is also you can actually, if there's content that you don't really need to see that refresh at 60 hertz,
yeah,
we could go all the way down to 15 frames per second, 10 megabits.
Okay. So
yeah, so you have like a spreadsheet or something.
Yeah, just making the network utilization a lot more efficient.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I love here what you've got on the right. You've got this monitor wall sort of look. So you're doing this with the KVM system.
That's right. The KVM also, you could make a monitor wall from it. So you could put anything that's on the KVM onto a monitor wall.
Yeah, and even in blending that portrait and landscape.
Exactly, compensate for the bezel and everything.
Really cool. That's amazing. All right, well, thanks for giving us a quick tour, Thomas. Where do people go if they want more information?
Well, they can go to www.apantac.com or they should go to Techtel.
Welcome to come to our website too. Thanks for watching and appreciate your time, Thomas.
Thank you.
Cheers.